Performance book, level 1 on page 34 or pages 34 and 35. Okay, the title is Rain Dance, moderately. Now with the metronome set only on 91.
1, 2.
Let's try
3,
this.
4, 1,
Now this is
2,
a low
3,
G
4,
and
2,
bass
3,
clef
4,
D.
1, 2, 3.
Let's start.
4,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
1,
2, 3, 4,
1,
2, 3, 4,
1,
2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4,
1,
2,
2, 3.
3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So as you may notice, I'm emphasizing every first note of the measures because there is that accent sign right below those two notes, the low G and the bass clef D. So you're playing it a little louder than the rest of it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Until the next time. Hope you enjoyed this piece.